Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a death screen script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click over here. Now you will redirect to the TabX store. You just need to scroll down over here. Then click over here and get the script into a CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's test the death screen over here. For that, we just need to type /test death. So as you can see, this is the death screen which you will get after when you die over here. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.